Good evening, Vanners. Here's an update on the van project. I have this rear sheet metal all ready to rock and roll. I've built a box brace here, and that provides structural integrity for the doorpost. There's a lot of meat back there anyways, but this just adds to it. And not only that, this provides a place to weld the outer sheet metal on. The next thing I have to do is carve into this rear corner and eliminate this bit of rust here. The rust's it's confined to this little tiny area up into here, but I want to get in there and have a look. I can't really see real well, so I'm going to end up having to cut this whole corner off anyways due to previous accident damage that was poorly prepped. There's some inner surface rust on the inside of the sheet metal, and I don't want it to continue on. I have a good patch here, so we'll whittle away at that. I'm going to end up going around the corner and carving out that little bit of rust, so when I open this tin of rust encapsulator, it flashes with moisture, so as soon as that can's open, it's basically done. So I want to get all this stuff cleaned up and get as much of this area prepped and ready to go and get that product on. So it might be a little duration between the videos here. I'll make it as quick as possible, but we'll go from there. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and we'll carry on with this. Take care.